I am Lenny Royal, lead artist with Nars, and this is our lovely model, Roxana. And today I've created a beautiful day look with a metallic eye, and we've transformed it into this gorgeous evening look with a berry lip and a darker eyeliner. So I'm going to apply our Radiance Primer, and I like to apply this on the high parts of the face because it captures radiance and light. And this really helps to hold your foundation on longer when you apply it. This contains vitamin E, so it's really great and moisturizing for the skin. Now I'm going to apply one of my favorite products, the Illuminator Hot Sand. I like to use this on top of the primer to create that radiance glow. And I'll do this before applying the foundation because I like that radiance and that glow coming from underneath the foundation, so it looks really natural. And again, I'll apply this on the high parts of the face where you're going to capture the radiance and the light. It's great for just creating that really nice flawless kind of finish on the skin, so it's perfect because it, like I said, it just bounces the light off and it's just really nice and glowy. It is perfect on its own without foundation. You can apply this over moisturizer to create a nice glowy skin. Now I'm going to apply our Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. Fantastic foundation to use. It's long wearing. It lasts 16 hours. The way I like to apply it is by applying it a couple pumps into my hand and then warming it up with my fingers. This will release the pigments in the foundation and warm them up. Start by applying the foundation in the center of the face for a more natural finish, and then work your way out with your fingers. And then I like to warm the rest in the palm of my hand and then just apply it like so. And this creates a really nice even finish and a very natural effect. Now I'm going to apply our Radiant Creamy Concealer, #1 selling concealer. I like to use two different shades, a lighter one to color correct in the corners of the eyes, and then a kind of one that matches the foundation, so then it gives you that really natural finish. So I'm going to apply the lighter color right in the corners of the eyes, like so. And that's going to help to color correct. I like to make sure that you take any excess off so you don't get too much of that color on there, because all you want is just a little bit to really get that darkness, to lighten that darkness up a little. Now you use color closest to your foundation. And when you apply your concealer, I always like to apply it right at this part here, where I'm applying it here. Don't go all the way out. And then with the same color, I like to apply around the nose to color correct any redness or darker skin patches. Use your finger just to apply this like so. You can use a brush, but I think a finger really kind of helps to blend and set that color onto the skin. Now I'm going to use our smudge-proof eyeshadow base Tinted. We've just launched these new colors. So I'm going to use medium on Roxana, and these are perfect to color correct on the eyes as well, so you can use them on their own without any eyeshadow, or you can use them with an eyeshadow to really show the color. So like so, press it with your finger. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite products, the Laguna liquid bronzer. This is great because it just gives you a really nice finish, a nice contour effect. The way I use this is I apply a couple pumps of this into the palm of my hand, and then I use a Utillo brush, and then I buff that formula into the brush, and that's going to create a really nice finish. So I'm going to start contouring, and I'm going to use the tragus here, this little part of the ear. That's going to be my starting point to contour. And with the Utillo brush, you just kind of buff that on there, and that creates a really nice natural contour by the cheek. make sure to push that color behind the chin, the jawline, and into the temples. And then with the excess, you just want to brush that right over the face to create a nice sun-kissed finish. So this is our new eyeshadow that we've just launched, Melrose, one of my favorite colors, and it sits into the new glitter eyeshadow categories, the precious metals. This is such a great formula because it's very buttery and creamy, so I like to use my finger to apply it. So like so, get a really good amount of color on your finger, and then you press that color right onto the eyelid. Because you've used the smudge-proof eyeshadow base that's really going to capture that color and show the pigment. And it just creates a beautiful shimmer. It kind of looks really wet on the eye. The more you warm it up with your finger, the better, the pigments really kind of just show through. And just keep applying it like so with your finger. And again. So you're gonna have, this color has like pink and golden undertones. So it'll look different in different lights. Now I'm going to use the Velvet Eyeliner Mambo, which is one of my favorites. And this is just going to create a nice definition on the eyes. Like down. So applying it by the root of the lashes. Now I'm going to use the number 44 brush, one of our blending brushes. And I'm going to use that to create a softer finish on the eye by blending the liner. And that's just going to create a really nice definition. The eyeliner formula is so creamy and so easy to apply, so blending is quite easy to do. Now I'm going to apply our Climax Mascara Wonders. This is a very beautiful mascara to apply. The reason why, because it's clump-free. It's got Lash Moisture Complex in it, which is very hydrating for the lashes. And it's just easy because there's no alcohol in it, so it doesn't dry and crumble right away. The way I like to apply it is by pressing the brush at the root of the lashes for 5 seconds, and that gives you an instant lift. So it curls the lashes and it volumizes. And the brush is only to Nars, it's patented to Nars. So it's a laser cut brush. And you start seeing an instant lift. I'm going to go again and apply another coat just to create a more dramatic finish. Now I'm going to use our new brow perfector. This is a fantastic brow pencil. You got a precision point and a spoolie in the end, so it makes life easier when you're using it. So the way I like to start with the brow is by putting an arch. And that's going to help you because when you put an arch in first, you'll notice that you probably won't need much with the brow. So it's just a little bit of filling in where you need it. And the point on this pencil is absolutely amazing. So you get really hair-like strokes. And then with the spoolie, you want to brush that up and brush that right into the hairs. Now I'm going to use the Wanda Cheek palette too, one of my favorite palettes to use. You have 6 different colors of blushes here, so you can really customize your color. I'm going to start off by using this lighter color here to create a pop on the cheek. Apply the lighter color on the apples of the cheeks to create that natural flushed look. And then with this darker color here, that's going to contour. So lightly contour just over the contour that I did before with the Laguna, just to intensify the color. And then with this orangey kind of color here, that's going to help to blend everything together. So it's going to take away any of the harsh edges and really kind of marry the two colors together. Yeah, you have a highlighter here in the corner, and then the other colors are just kind of, they have a shimmery effect to them. The other ones here are more of a matte finish, so they're a bit more pigmented matte. So you can kind of, you have your day or your evening looks depending on what you're really trying to achieve. But it's a great palette to use because you can, really customize your own color, which is great. And then with my finger, I like to just press that in just to kind of create more of a natural finish. I'm going to use Raquel Audacious lipstick, one of my favorite lipsticks. This is a very creamy pigmented lipstick, and it's a very nude and pinky color. So I'm going to use the bullet right in the center of the lips. And I'm just going to apply that color just in the center. Then I'm going to use a brush to spread out to blend that color out. Just to create a really nice natural pink lip. And this formula is really hydrating and really creamy. So now we've created the day look. We're going to turn this look into an evening look by applying two simple products. We're going to start off with a velvet eyeliner in Black Moon, a black eyeliner, darker than the color I used before to create this day look. We're going to apply the eyeliner again close to the lashes. And again, this formula is so creamy and easy to apply. Make sure to get that color right in between the lashes to give that really intense finish. So we're going to apply the eyeliner in the waterline. And again with the 44 brush. We're just going to blend that color all the way through. I'm going to add another coat of Climax mascara just to really intensify that look. Again, you want to press that right by the root of the lashes to create that really dramatic finish. And I'm going to apply some mascara to the bottom lashes. And I'm just doing that by using the tip of the brush. Now I'm going to use the full vinyl lip lacquer in color Mississippi. This color is really rich and it's like a berry color. So it falls really great with the trends right now. Berry lip, darker lip. So we're going to intensify this day look with this, and it's literally going to give you that high shine. And it just glides absolutely beautiful. So you have two applicators on the brush. You have a A side and a B side. The A side is going to give you a really nice coat, and then the B side is going to really glide that color and give it a high shine. So depending on what kind of finish you're really going after, you can get that with the applicator. Don't be afraid to lift the lip and get in there. What I like to do is I like to stretch the lip out to create a really nice even straight line, and that just kind of gives you that not so round effect on the lip. It just really helps it kind of give you a more precise, really classic line, I would say. And there you have it. your evening look with a nice berry lip.